Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Sam here. Now we're going to repair washing machine motor. We're going to dismantle the damaged winding. So we have the motor and improvised holder or our fixture, the claw hammer, and screwdriver or chisel, and nail with handle. We have here a wood with hole to serve as our holder. We're going to remove this, strike this one. See, this is very hard. You cannot remove this without your puller and vise. So for a simple newbie, you can use this picnic, and it's very easy. You can solve this problem alone using this style. Be careful not to destroy the cover, just the bolt, because we are going to repair the windings. And finally we have this concrete nail. See, we have already damaged and loosened the bolt. And you will see hundreds or thousand pesos for this process. Let's see, and you can access the coil winding. Detach. See, we already separate the motor. Now ready to check the coil after removing this another cover. See, and this bolt must be changed with bolts and nut of the same, and you have to clean and check the condition of this shafting and bushing. Ito nakita natin, meron ditong lagot, open. Nag-disconnect din yung connection niyan. Tapos ito, tsaka dyan, may lagot diyan, at saka ito. So ngayon, pag itinap natin dito yan, dyan, yun, may resistance na tayo. Yun, nagde-deflect yung meter pointer natin. Check natin. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung meter pointer natin. Ayan. Ayan, gumagalaw. Ayun. Tapos lilinisan yung mga corrosion at saka yung mga kalakalawang. Then i-isolate natin. Gagamitan din natin ng shrinkable tube o spaghetti tube. Delikado ang hinang. Kailangan mag-mask kayo pag naghinang. The best dito ang mga lug, connection lug. Kumaga ganito. Ganito, ikikrimp lang. Yan, tinatahi na natin para ma-secure yung mga dugtungan natin at hindi magkalas-kalas. Ganda yung maraming insulation. Tapos na natin i-bind. Linisin na natin yung mga kalawang.